In front of me is Honor Magic 6 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluid. First of all, open Play Store and download free app called Magic Fluid's Lite Fluid Theme. When it's ready, open it. Then to mute the music right away, tap at the bottom left corner and select Consent in the pop-up. Now click on bottom right corner and click on Set as Live Wallpaper. Then hit Yes. Click on the bottom left corner again, but this time adjust all of those options however you want to. You can even select presets, tap on the best one, and choose Yes. Wherever you decided, when you finished, go back, hit Apply and wait. Then you can close your app, and as you can see, after that, my wallpaper was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!